Hello, my name is Steve Bowler, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at IP version 6. Specifically within IPv6, we are going to be taking a closer look at RIP Next Generation Summarization, or RIPng Summarization. Again, this is IPv6 lab number 9. So in this lab, we're going to have two routers, router 1 and router 2, and they are going to be running RIP Next Generation between them. And the interface between R1 and R2 is Fast Ethernet 00 on both routers. So we have the common subnet between R1 and R2 is going to be the 2001.12.12.12/64. Again, router 1 is going to be the .1 or the 1 IP, and then router 2 is going to be the .2 or the 2 IP address. On router 1 we have a loopback 0 of 2001.111:1/64, and then we have on router 2 we have three loopbacks. We have loopback 0, which is 2001.222:2/64, and then we have loopback 1, which is 2001.224:2/64, and then we have loopback 2, which is 2001.228:2/64. So what we are going to be doing in this lab is, again, we are going to be performing IPv6 summarization using RIP Next Generation as the routing protocol. And the summarization is going to be taking place on R2. So the first thing, let's go ahead and get the router set up. Let's go into router 1 and we'll set up the loopback 0 interface. We'll give it the IP address 2000 IPv6 address of 2001.111:1/64, and then we'll go under the Fast Ethernet 00 interface connecting R1 to R2, and we'll give it the IPv6 address of 2001.12.12:1/64. We'll go ahead and do a no shut on R1, and then we're going to go ahead and go into global configuration mode and do an IPv6 unicast routing to enable IPv6 routing on the router. So the next thing we want to do is to get RIPng running, and again this is done on a per interface basis. So on R1 we're going to go under interface Fast Ethernet 00 and do the command IPv6, and then you can see that we have the option for RIP, and then it's going to ask us for our user selected string identifying this RIP process, so we can name it whatever we want. In this case we'll do RIPng, and then we'll just follow it up with the enable statement, which is going to enable RIP routing on this interface. Again, we're going to be advertising loopback 0 into RIPng as well, so we'll go under interface loopback 0, we'll hit the up arrow twice, and then we're going to advertise that interface